gaining traction, perfect reaction. Not the everlasting when angels distraction, crossing paths and crafting the continuous action. Imagine super unspoken, strictly heartbroken, taking a token. Drama soaked and lost, hoping that the road the moment. Now you're toasted, living open soul, sober, not your opponent. Don't listen, you own it. Don't listen to boasting, dose of the liquid ocean. Devotion is the purest notion. What do you suppose that I'm just posing? Alone in the moment, I'm a roll of emotion. Time is frozen, the days are rolling, shaping, rolling the moment. Making it, getting it going, no battle. Truth in all sides of the fractal. Blaze the verbal saddle, sacred praise. Like cattle in India, rolling into ya, blowing up, but it's being gifted enough. Wanna make it. You wanna make it. You wanna make it. You wanna make it. You gotta take it. You wanna make it. They won't give it to you, you gotta take it. You don't get no breaks. This is Planet of the Apes. I'm sitting here on the microphone giving big thanks. Giving big thanks. Fuck them big tanks. Fuck them weapons. That's the direction that I step in. Like in the night, I be righteous on the spine. Righteous on the spine, whether you like it or not. Righteous or not. It's your own process, you gotta go through it. Your own movement. You gotta go through it. You won't make it, make it, make it, make it, make it.